Alright, guys and girls, down the rabbit hole we go. Alright, we got a 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 customer's complaint. I couldn't even... They've done a video long enough to explain to me the complaints. But we got to put this thing together. Woo! Man, we are definitely in trouble. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, girls, let's get right to it. Quick overview of what's going on. Customer flagged us down one day and she got our number from D&D used tire. Huh? Yeah, she was waving the white flag. She's giving up. So a shout out to D&D, yeah, buddy. She had somebody driving this vehicle, tearing this vehicle up. As you can see, the truck has no headlight. It don't have either headlight, actually. She said they went to put headlights in, and the headlights fell out. I don't know. But she got really tired of the guy messing up a truck. I mean, I do mean messing up a truck. So she told it to us and wants us to fix this thing from the ground up. Now, I looked at a few things, and I don't know, guys. I'm going to need your opinion on this. Is the vehicle worth fixing for a customer? Now, she's going to get all the parts, or should she just, call it a day and and have somebody come pick it up or take it down to the scrapyard? I don't know, but our job is to look over the vehicle and see what it needs. So in this episode right here, we're just gonna go over a few things, just what we can see out. Okay, also, before we start, we know there's something wrong with the brakes because the guy who was driving the truck, he drove up and he said, you gotta use the emergency brakes to stop because the brake pedal goes right to the floor. And I don't mean you can pump it up and get no brakes. No. To the floor, done. So he has to move, and to pull it back here in the yard, I had them use the emergency brakes to stop. So we know there's a big issue here with that. So, guys, here we go. Again, give me your honest opinion. Let me know what you think about this truck. All right? We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're going to start off from the left rear. Woo! Man. Oh no, guys! I mean, you see them tight. Oh man, you see right here on this side. Oh, they're about to be the same side. Oh my goodness, man! So, yeah, we definitely going with the tires. Shocks. Let's go up here. I can't see the brakes over here because it's drums. I gotta actually pull off a wheel. What else?
What is that hanging? A bungee cord? What's that?
This?
No, what is that?
What are you looking at?
Like that thing, yeah.
This right here?
Yeah.
It's a bar. It's supposed to be bolted to keep the frame, keep this from moving. So that's out of it. Let's go.
Oh, I would say no to the bungee cord thing. That's what.
Let's go up here. These tires look really little compared to the. What is this over here? I have no idea what's this all hanging right here. This is a 215 7016. 215? That's little for...
I don't know if I'm looking at it right, but that, I guess it's shocks back there. They look like something was hitting it.
Oh, heck yeah. It looks like something was hitting the shock. We're going to turn the wheel to the right. Let me here.
Why is that thing so
I
loud?
guess we can add exhaust system to this
Holy
as well.
moly. Scared me.
So,
But what?
it's a good question. Maybe it's the tire? No, tire can't turn all the way in there, can it? I don't know.
Maybe you need to turn that to the left.
So we have maybe 215 70 16. What is this back one? Now this back one, wow. You figure that's 215 70. This back one is 245 75 16. Oh my goodness. Let's go over here to the other one. Different color. I don't care about that. Alright, yeah, we got figures. We got another bald tire. Here's that bar Sylvia was telling me about.
That's how it goes.
Hold on to that. This tire is a 245 70 16. Same other side, bald as anything. So definitely gonna need tires. Okay, let's go up here to this one. This is a 215 70 16, so they tried to match up the front ones. And this is, dang, this is bald. What the, man. What the heck? Holy cow. Can you see that? Guys, you ain't gonna believe this. Let me turn the wheel.
No, no need. No need, I see it. What is that? Is that the control arm?
Yeah. That's the lower control arm. And wait a minute, it's still
Where's it supposed to go?
it's still bolted to the bracket, but it's broken here from the frame. Holy guys, and he was just guys, they were driving this. They were driving this like it is. Look at this shock. I guess that shocks it. I'm out. Holy cow. I can't believe somebody was driving this. Man, that right there is a deal killer here. How the heck am I supposed to fix that? Can we even get something like that?
Yeah, you go to Dodge and get a new pickup.
Oh my goodness, guys. Alright guys, let me get a cardboard. I gotta look up under. Are you looking in there for anything?
I think, if I'm looking at it right, maybe the spring,
What about it?
is it broken?
Let me
Or
see.
is it just bent out of shape because of the control arm?
It's
No,
just
it
bent
might
out
have
of
just-
shape.
Yeah, okay.
Holy cow, man. I want to see if I can. Let me get something to lay on. I want to see if I can see where this exhaust leak is coming from. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm up under the vehicle. What the heck is this? This is going to an O2 sensor. But where's the rest of the harness? I have no idea. Here's the exhaust pipe is cut off right here. Oh man, it's not even connected anywhere up there, and there's nothing in the back. we're
So
gonna
it's
need to
missing the muffler
It means, what is it?
along with the tailpipe.
The tailpipe, the muffler, and it looks like it's broken up there somewhere. I don't know if you can see further up where where that lower control arm is.
Yeah.
You can see up there? Can you see what's broken on the muffler? Oh, no, you can't see in here.
Oh, it's
But-
in front of that.
Yeah, it's gonna need a
The whole system.
Yeah, the entire system. This right here. Look at this, guys. This sucks. Oh, man, what is this right here? Disconnected, I don't know. We got a hanger here, or what the freak? Alright, we got that much. Alright, let's look at the front of the vehicle. Let's check out these headlights and open up the hood. Be right back. Alright guys, let's open up this hood. She said every time she put in headlights, they came right out. I have no idea how these headlights are supposed to hold in, but how is this thing driving? Well,
How is it legal?
Yeah, how is it legal? I mean, guys, the plates are still good. I mean, this doesn't happen in one. This is stuff that just don't happen in 1 year. Let's look at the other headlight. Oh man, guys. I know you guys at home, y'all falling out on the floor right now. All right, let's look up here under the hood. We got the 5.2 engine. Hey, that looks like a nice engine. Air cleaner's gone.
I don't understand though. Why?
I don't know. It's like it was in the way. I don't know, it look ugly.
Did they sell it?
Yeah. All right, check out the battery for guys. I mean, this is something I used to do when I was like, before working on cars, like 16 years old,
What is
man.
that supposed to do?
Because no matter how much you tighten it, it don't get tight. So you stick a screw in there, and see, yeah, buddy. The cover's missing. That's minor. Wow. You know. Okay, I'm about to start this up, guys. But check this
The
out.
hose looks new.
Yeah, and hey, look at, if you can see down at the water pump, it looks kind of, water pump looks kind of a little shiny there.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is funny. This is funny, guys. This gonna be funny. Okay, it's a Dodge. The guy who came here, who dropped it off with her, that went up and messed this truck up. He said, the check engine light is on, and you can turn the key 3 times, and it'll tell you what's wrong with it. so I'm like, what? So I told her, I said, so I try to be polite. I said, yeah, all Chryslers do that. So the girl said, the lady said, Chrysler, it's a Dodge. I'm like, oh my god. I'm like, oh man. All right, yeah. I was like, yeah, they the same thing. but
I thought that was common knowledge.
I know, right? Like, dang it. I guess not. I don't know. Well, let me say here. Let me start this up.
I don't like the way it sounds.
Sounds like a Hemi.
It's too loud.
Probably got the O2 sensors and all that. Don't stand in front of me, Tim. Alright, I noticed, check this out, the radiator looks pretty new, doing it.
So it must have had an antifreeze leak, so you changed the radiator, the water pump.
Oh man, I just took this thing up, it was nothing but water. There's nothing but water in it, and it's empty. Nothing in there. You know what? I need to see what's in this system. Guys, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go get a pair.
It looks like it has some type of oil leak or something, because it's very wet on the side.
Right around here.
Yep.
Yep, probably valve cover gaskets. You know, guys, I'm gonna go get me a pair of needle nose. I'm gonna take this hose off. I want to see if there's antifreeze in this system or is there water. Be right back. All right, guys. So, whoops. Let's get this thing off here. I'm gonna let a little of this pour out.
No. I don't think anything's supposed to look like that.
Woo! Man, but it ain't got nothing in it, but I guess it don't have a blown head gasket because it's running as smooth as anything. Watch, I put some water in it, so I just think starts pouring out, smoking like crazy. All right, we're gonna put this back, guys. We definitely got something else that's got to be addressed. All right, guys, and we're not, guys. Okay, we're gonna stop right here in this video right here, because we're gonna get your opinion, guys, before we go any further. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so this is the end of the video on this 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.2 engine. And so you guys saw our assessment. And so now what we want to know is, do we continue going down the rabbit hole looking for the little rabbit?
Yeah, buddy.
Or do we just go back up the rabbit hole? What should we do? Let us know what you guys think. So you can put that in the comment section below, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.